Legal and ethical consideration in communication. Effective communication is critical in HR administration, and it is important to consider legal and ethical consideration when communicating with employees. HR professionals must adhere to legal and ethical standards when communicating with employees to avoid any legal and ethical violation. In this article, we'll discuss legal and ethical considerations in communication under the topic of effective communication strategies for HR administration. Legal consideration. 1. Discrimination. HR professionals must ensure that all communication with employee is free from discrimination. Discrimination can occur based on a personal race, gender, age, religion, or any other characteristics protected by law. HR professionals must ensure that all communications, including job posting, performance evaluation, and disciplinary actions, do not discriminate against any employee. Number 2, confidentiality. HR professionals must maintain confidentiality when communicating with employees. Confidentiality is essential in HR administration, and HR professionals must ensure that they do not disclose any confidential information, including medical records, personal information, or employees' performance evaluation, without the employee's consent. Number 3, compliance with laws and regulations. HR professionals must ensure that all communication with employee complies with the federal, state, and local laws and regulations. For example, HR professionals must ensure that job posting complies with Equal Employment Opportunities Law and that disciplinary actions comply with the Fair Labor Standard Act. Ethical consideration. Number 1, honesty. HR professional must communicate with employees honestly and transparently. HR professionals must ensure that they do not mislead employees, provide false information, or withhold important information from employees. Number 2, respect. HR professionals must communicate with employees with respect and dignity. HR professionals must ensure that they do not engage in any disrespectful or discriminatory behavior towards employees. Number 3, confidentiality. HR professionals must maintain confidentiality with communicating with employees. HR professionals must ensure that they do not disclose any confidential information, including medical reports, medical records, personal information, or employee performance evaluation without employees' consent. Number 4, fairness. HR professionals must communicate with employees in a fair and just manner. HR professionals must ensure that they do not show favorism towards any employees and that all communication, including disciplinary actions and promotions, are based on merit and performance. In conclusion, legal and ethical considerations are important in communicating with HR administration. HR professionals must ensure that all communications with employees is free from discrimination, maintain confidentiality, complies with the law and regulations, and adheres to ethical standards by considering legal and ethical considerations. HR professionals can build a culture of trust, respect, and fairness, which can lead to a more productive and positive work environment.